thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to friend me on Roblox at CharlieB0413. Don't forget to subscribe to my other channel at Cool Girl Charlie. Goodbye.
Okay, wait, and don't forget, if you're not following her on TikTok, follow her on TikTok and check out her showcases. Some nice things in there, guys. If you like shopping like me, you're gonna like what you see in that showcase. So again, if you're not following her on TikTok, please do so at It's Charlie
right
Time Hair.
It's right there.
What's right there?
My name.
Your name right there?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, follow us on TikTok at It's Charlie Time Hair, and don't forget once again to check out that showcase. Say it. Are you
Don't
done?
forget one more time to check out that showcase.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.